Hi, let's see how can we check history of our commands and how can we remove the files and folders. So let's see command for that. So there is a command called as history. If we write just history here, we can get the history of our commands what we have used till now. So here you can see we can get the history with the history command. So this is useful if you just wanna see what the commands you have typed before. If you forget some of the commands, so you can check from here what command you have executed if something goes wrong. Okay, so with this is a useful command. So with clear command you can just clear the screen, and let's see how can we uh, delete the file and a folder. Let's delete this file 2, and let's delete a folder called as pipeline. Okay, so let's see. uh, we use command rm for removing a file. So just give a file name and just put a rm command before it and just hit enter. So when we check here, this file is now removed from here. So see, there is no file with file2.txt here. So let's see how can we remove a folder. So just type rm and uh, use pipeline. If we use rm with pipeline, it won't delete this folder. We have to use it recursively. So we have to give a flag here, and let's try first with rm. So see, it's giving an error. It is a directory. So it is a directory, so we have to use a r flag here that is called as recursively delete. So when we type like this, it will delete. So when we do ls list, so this pipeline is folder is not now in this list. Okay, so this is how we can use rm command to remove the files and folders. It is an easy command. And how do we check history? So thanks, and do subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like the video.